became a patient of Plato a few months ago. I woke up and I couldn't move my neck at all. My friend recommended them, and it was convenient because they're very close to my house, so I couldn't drive, so it was easy for me to get to the clinic. I went there and did my very first session, and immediately after that I had some mobility in my neck again. It's working slowly. I'm really very happy with the service. I am very happy with the doctor. He's very professional and extremely knowledgeable. He explains in details everything, so we can actually understand what is happening. I just enjoy my sessions very much, and I highly recommend the clinic.